Hey guys, hope you're all having an amazing weekend. I wanted to put together this video of the watch list or a few stocks in the market that I'm watching this week. So starting off, we will look at SPY. As you guys know, this is a market ETF. It tracks S&P 500, so I will break this down and show you guys what I'm seeing. So we'll go on the long-term trend line here, or long-term time frame. Basically, the level I've been consistently mentioning to our team is this December 2018 low right here when we had that sell-off last December. You can see we pushed down to this 236.03 level. Right here we have a bullish engulfing candle, which is a sign of a reversal here, but as you guys can see, it's way too early to tell here if we are going to continue. Ideally, I'm looking for a gap through this week, through 270, to confirm that we are, in fact, reversing off lows for SPY. If we do get rejected at this level, we will likely push back down to the lows down here around 218. But again, it is very key that we did hold on the weekly chart here, this 233 or 230 level from last December. This was the key level that I was mentioning to our team, and thankfully it held and paid off. So now we'll go in on a shorter time frame here. You can see we'll go to the 5-day 15-minute here. Basically, now we're trending in between this 254.80 support and this 259.94 or 260 resistance. As you can see, we got that pump on Friday right up to here. And then people will ask me, oh, how do you confirm? Right here's a perfect example of a false breakout. You see this wick through, but the candle didn't confirm above this. Look at that breakout right there, breakdown through, gap below this support. So ideally, I'm looking for this 254 range to hit and break through on Monday. Otherwise, we'll zoom out here. We got a base support here around 246 and then one below at 244. These are the key levels that I'm watching. Again, 263 and 271 is the main level that I'm looking at for SPY to finish above this weekly to confirm a bullish reversal. Otherwise, it's likely to be a dead cat bounce, as you can see on this. However, this is a strong reversal candle here, but we need a lot more time to confirm this. You can see the strength of this downtrend is very strong. MACD trying to turn here. We need more buy volume coming in. We need ultimately a gap through 271 up to 273 to confirm that. So as for the stocks that I'm looking at this week, I wanted to start off with Zoom. As you guys know, this has been a big stock recently due to the news that everyone's using Zoom from being quarantined at home. But here's what I'm seeing technical-wise. So we get this gap up right here to highs at 164.94. We get a reversal sell-off here, staggering volume, low volume. We're finally starting to see that buy volume come back in. You see this pump up right here. Look at all that volume on that big push, sell off, staggering low volume right here, sign of a reversal, with these two candlesticks right here. We're finally starting to see some volume coming in here. Ultimately, I'm looking for this gap above 159.53 and make new highs. You can tell the strength is very strong. So this is one that if you guys are looking for a swing trade for this week, premiums are high, but technical wise, you can see this cup forming here. I'm thinking we at least see 164, 165 in the coming weeks. This is also one that's looking good on the 5-day 5-minute here. A lot of consolidation here on Friday, But again, long-term wise, if you guys are looking for a swing trade along those lines, I'm really liking this pattern forming here. Strong base support down at 120. As you guys know, though, this one is a fast mover, so be careful if you are swinging it, especially in this market as premiums are so high. So the market is anticipating move already on this stock. So if you are going to swing trade, as I always tell people and our members, swing lightly. Also because the VIX is so high right now that playing anything overnight has an increased risk with it. The next one I was looking at right here is TLT. This is another one that I've been really watching closely, really like. So basically what we've been doing is trending recently within the past week or so between this 147.42 support and this 166.55 resistance. You can see this push through, break down, hold, push back up, break down, gap down to 140, and slowly reverse back up and get rejected here. You can see that it finally broke through this key level right here at 166. We're actually pushing through on strength too. So I'm going to look for this this breakthrough right here up into right here. You can see this resistance right here around 172.82. But I'm really liking this. I like the price action that was coming in Friday before close. We can see this consolidation consolidation in this trend line right between 167 and this 148 here, and we're finally breaking through. I'm really liking this one for the upcoming week as well. And the next one that I'm really liking also is going to be GILD. This is a play that's heavily dependent on news. As you guys know, they have a vaccine, or supposedly a vaccine, for the coronavirus. So this one's heavily dependent on news. That's basically what makes this thing move. So what I'm seeing right here is a strong 67.93 base support. We finally broke through this 72.44 resistance and got rejected up here at 75.28. Ideally, I want to see this cup form here. We need to break above the 75.95 level in this coming week to confirm this cup formation here. We'll go in on a shorter time frame for what I was seeing. So on Friday, as you guys know, we played a GILD call that actually ended up running for 75-80%. So what I saw here was this push down, this gap below. See that candle look below, but still confirm that support. This was our entry here, all the way on this gap up to here. So basically now what I'm going to be watching come Monday open is this 72.07 level to hold again. And then we got this 74.12 resistance and the 75.68 resistance as well. This is another one that has high premiums like Zoom, simply because everyone knows that this is heavily reliable on news and it's going to be extremely volatile once the news comes out. So the market is anticipating this move already. So if you do end up playing this one, don't go all in with your account, play light, because IV on most of the contracts is over 130%. So if you guys have any questions or want me to break down anything for you guys, simply shoot me a message and we can work through that. Also, I hope you guys have had a great weekend. I look forward to trading with you guys tomorrow. Thank you.